Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well and I'm also good. After a long time I'm here because I was busy and I was facing some health issues so I couldn't make any video. But now Alhamdulillah everything is okay. And as you know that Ramzan is going on, so I'm making all the things. First I'm making dahi bade, which is my favorite dish. Then after I will make all things like pakodi, bread pakode, and I have to make some things more. And friends, I will not eat pakodi because doctor doesn't allow me for these things because of health issue. Otherwise, I will eat other things, and my family members will eat all these things. And friends, you know, we have all the things. We have to say Alhamdulillah for all these things. But some people have no food, so we have to think about them, and we should help to each other. We should help to them who needs these things. Because Ramzan is a month of peace. It is a month of caring, sharing. So we should share with them. Now I'm making all these recipes. For it, I was teaching some students were at my home, so I was teaching to them. Now I get time to make these things, so I'm making. And now I have prepared all the things. And thanks for watching this video. And please don't forget like and share. And let's meet